How to download and install Chrome in Windows 10. First, search Chrome on your browser. Then, select this link. Okay. Then, click here. Download Chrome. Then, click here. Accept and install. Downloading is finished. Then click here, run. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Select yes. Downloading Chrome. Download completed. Then installing. Google Chrome is successfully installed. Click on Windows icon. Here you can see Google Chrome icon. Click here. Google Chrome page is opened. Thank you.